I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking SAS Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Please add me for your weekly quizzes, add me for your weekly assignments and add me for your complete course sheet. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that create a new database using the blank database template. Save the database in the documents folder using the name A02 Warranty. Basically, in this question, we will create a new database using the blank database template. Then save the database in the documents folder using the name 02 Warranty. Simply right click on this and then click on blank database, and then we will tap A02 Warranty. Okay, we will tap A02 Warranty and then go to the browse for a location for your database. So we click on the new file, new database file, and then we will type file name A02 Warranty, A02 Warranty, and new file, new database file A02 Warranty, and then click on OK. Sorry, 1 second, warranty spelling is incorrect. I think I misspelling WARRANTY. I have added WAARRENTY. Now we will check the spelling WAARRENTY Warranty, and then simply click on OK. Then click on create. Okay, blank database will be created here. Now create a field in the second column of table using short text as the data type, as technical ID as the field name. Okay, basically in this question we will create a field in the second column of table using short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. Okay, you can read this question. Create a field in the second column of table using short text as the data type and the technical ID as the field name. Right click on this and then click on short text, and then field name is, we will type technical ID as the field name. We will type here technical ID, TECHI, technical. Okay, save the table using the name technician. Basically in this question we will save this table as the name of technicians. Right click on this and then click on save. Okay, and then save as, we will type here table name as technician, TECHNICANS, and then click on OK. Okay, table will be saved as technician, and then question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. with the technician table open in design view, delete the LD fields. Okay, we will delete the LD fields. Now with the click on, right click on this and then simply click on LD fields in the technician table and then delete the LD field. Right click on this and simply delete it. Okay, LD field will be deleted. Now set the technician LD field as the primary key for the table. Simply click on technician LD field and then click on primary key in the tools group. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is that modify the properties of technician LD field by changing the field size to 4. Press enter. Basically we will click on technician LD field and then we will modify the field size. Go to the field size and then we will tap field size to 4 and then we will press enter. Now change the caption property of last name field to tag last name. Simply click on last name field and then we will go to the caption properties and then we will change the caption properties of last name field to tag last name. Okay, we will type here caption properties is that TECH tag LAST tag last name NAME. Okay, we will change the caption properties of last name field to tag last name. Okay, simply click on the last name field and then go to the caption properties and then we will tag last name field. Tag last name is caption property, sorry. Okay, press enter. Now in design view add a new field after the first name field using the name pay rate and then press tab. Simply we will change the table into design view and then we will add a new field after the first name field. Okay, and then using the name is pay rate is the new field name. After the first name field using the name pay rate, simply we will add a new field after the first name field. Okay, new field name is pay rate and then press tab. Okay, change the data type of pay rate field to number and then press tab. Okay, we will change the data type of pay rate field to number. Right click on this and then set this data type to number. Okay, question is completed now. View the technicians table in datasheet view. Okay, we will now view this technician table to datasheet view. Right click on this and then simply click on datasheet view. Okay, enter 75 as the pay rate for the first record in the table and then press enter. Okay, simply click on the first record of table and then enter 75 pay rate. Okay, we will enter 75 pay rate and then press enter. Question is completed now. I have done 6 questions right now. Now begin the process to import the Excel workbook A02 repairs XLS from the documents folder as a new table in the database. You can see this question. Basically in this question we will begin to process to we will import the Excel workbook. The workbook name is A02 repairs XLS X from the document folder as a new table in the database. Simply go to the external data, simply click on new data source and then from file XLS file Excel file and then we will browse file the A02 repair XLS file and then simply click on OK, open. Okay, then documents folder as a new table in the database, then click on OK, then click on with the first row contains column heading checkbox selected, click next, modify the field option of the RID field so that it is in indexed with no duplicates, and then click next. OK, with the first row contain columns heading checkbox selected, click next. Yes, no duplicates, and then next. Right click on already, set already, and then click on, and then complete the wizard using default table. Do not save and import steps, then click on finish. OK, click on finish, then close it. Question is completed. Now you can see on my PC screen. OK, now begin to process to import the access database A02 customer ACCDB from the documents folder as a new table in the database. Now we will import a new file, database file. OK, go to the external data, simply click on new data source, and then from file, from database file, go to the from database file, and then from access file, click on access. OK, click on browse. OK, we will browse this file A02 customer ACCDB file, and then select this file, and then simply click on open. This file will be imported. OK, document folder as a new table in the design view, click on OK, and then select the customer table, and then click OK. Do not save the import step. OK, select the customer table, and then click OK. Do not save the select customer table, and then click OK. OK, do not save the import step, and then simply close it. The question will be completed. Now with the repairs table open in design view, change the RID field name to repairs ID, and then press enter. Simply with the repair table open in design view, and then change the RID field name to repair ID, and then press enter. Click on repair ID field. OK, click on RID field, and then change the RID field to repair ID. Repair ID. Repair ID. REPAID, repair ID, and then press enter. And then press enter. Apply the default short date input mask to the repair ID data date field. OK, apply the short date input mask. Click on repair ID field, and then click on input mask, and then default input mask. Right click on this and click on short text. Short text is the, and then input mask to default. So you can click on repair date, and then click on input mask. OK, click on repair date, add the field name, and then click on input mask. Must save table first, save now, and then click on yes, and then click on short date, and then click on next. Input mask to, click on finish. Question is completed now. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do complete exam for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. Add a new record to the end of the repairs table. In the repair ID feed tab R010, in the repair date feed tab 513/2018, in the call received field tab 510/2018, and then press enter, press tab. Okay, first we will add a new record in the end of repair table. In the repair ID field tab R010, okay, and then in the repair date fields tab 513/2018, repair date field or 5/13, okay, 5/13, over 2018, Now car received field type 510/2018, car received, and then press tab. Question is completed. Now you can see on my PC screen. Next question is that begin creating a relationship in the database by adding the customer, repairs and technician table. To the relationship window, close the show table dialog box. Basically, in this question, we will create a relationship in the database by adding the customer, repair and technician table. To the relationship window, click on create. Simply click on database tool and then click on relationship. We will add 3 table. Customer table, add, and then click on repairs table and click on add, and then we will click on technician table and then click on add. 3 table will be added, and then close it, and then we will create a relationship between these 3 table. Create a one-to-many relationship between the customer ID field in the customer table and then repair table being shown to enforce relational integrity. Okay, first we will create a one-to-many relationship. Click on customer ID and then click on customer ID, added relationship, enforce refresher integrity, click on create. Okay, this relationship will be created. Now in a new record, at the end of repairs table, the repairs field enter R011. In the repairs date field, enter 5/11 into 2018. In the call received field, enter 5/8/2018. Simply click on repair ID field and then add a new record and enter foreign change in and in the customer field enter C017 and then press enter. Now we will add a new record is here at the end of the table. Okay, sorry, my connection is lost now. My internet speed is slow right now. 1 second. Okay, now we will in the new record at the end of repairs table. In the repair field, click on at of the repairs table and then repair field enter R011 In the repair date field, enter 5/11/2018. 5/11/2018. In the call received field, enter 5/8/2018. 5/8/2018. In the repairs needed field, enter foreign change. Foreign charge, enter foreign charge, and then customer ID field, enter C017. C017 and then press enter. And then press the now you attempt to enter a non-accent customer ID C017 and were not allowed to make that error. When the error message displays, click OK. Change the customer ID value from C017 to C016 and then press the down arrow. Okay. Customer C016 and then press down arrow. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on question number 12. Use the query wizard to begin a simple query. Click on create, then click on query wizard and then click on OK. From the customer table, add the field customer, last name, first name, city and then state in that order and then click next. Okay. From the customer table, add the field customer greater than, okay, customer last name, first name and then click on state and then click on next. Name the query repairs by city and then finish the wizard. Okay, what title do you want for your query, and then we will name the query repair by city, repairs by city, and then finish the wizard. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 12 questions right now. With the repairs by city query open in design view, set the criteria for the city field to Dallas, press enter. Sorry, my connection is good now, but I think my internet speed is slow right now. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade, and I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. My connection is lost right now. 1 second, my internet problem. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. And if you do not able to do this exam, you can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. For course read, contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Please add me for your weekly assignments, quizzes and exams. And for complete course, I am doing this exam, Access Chapter 2 simulation exam. And my connection was lost right now. Okay, now this connection is poor. Okay, this is good now. With the repairs by city query open in design view, set the criteria for the city field to be Dallas, then press enter. with the repair city in design view. Set the criteria for the city feed to Dallas. Right click on city feed and then we will tap here Dallas. In the criteria box we will tap Dallas. Set the query to sort the last name field as ascending order. Click on last name field and then we will set the query to sort in the ascending order. Right click on this and then click on ascending order. Run the query, simply run the query in the results group. Okay, question is completed now. In the repair by city query, change the city for customer ID C02 for Dallas to Houston and then press enter, close the query. In the repair by city query, change the city for customer ID and then Dallas to Houston. Simply we will click on city and then remove this Dallas and then tap Houston, HOUSTON, and then press enter. Okay, HOUSTON, and then press enter and then close it. Open the customer table in datasheet view. Add a new record in the end of the customer table. Enter C017 in the customer ID field and MC Colo in the last name field. C017 is the customer and then customer ID field to MC Colo and MC COLLOUGH. Open the repair by city query in datasheet view. Make a copy of the repair city by query name repair by city sorted and open the new query in design view. Okay, we will make a copy. Right click on this and then copy and paste repairs by city sorted. Query name is repairs by city sorted. Repair by city SORTED sorted. Okay, then click on OK and open the new query in design view. Okay, remove the sort from the last name field by selecting. Okay, sort the query by customer ID field and then descending order. Run the query. First we will remove the sort from the last name field, selecting non sorted, then descending order, customer field and then descending order and then run the query. Not sorted. Okay, then sort the query by the customer ID field in descending order, customer ID field in descending order, and then simply run the query. Okay, you can see here I have done 90% of this exam. For remaining question and if you want to refer complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quizzes and hire me for your exams and for complete course. I can handle all online exams, all online courses. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. I am handling this same course for my many students. Please contact me if you want to read for this complete course. I will give you very reasonable price. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in your future. I will upload complete course on this YouTube channel, and if you do not able to do this course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Then I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will provide you A plus grade in all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, and then complete course till final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.